Hello, guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today, we are going to do not one but two team transports unboxing. And you know what is the best part? They both are from two different mixes. So, let's open this up first. It's a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL with the 1955 Mercedes-Benz Blaues Wunder. The card art looks amazing. So I open these from here actually, and then move to the side and just pull this out. I need to do a little workout with this, but eventually it comes out. Here we are, team transport. See the base, the car. Let's put this on turntable and have a closer look. I think this is not the first time 300 SL is coming out in team transport. This is the second time, I guess. The first one was in the IWC watches, Mercedes livery and IWC livery with the closed cab. It was the first one. So this is the second time probably I'm seeing it in team transport, and it looks good. I don't mind seeing this amazing casting. I like the wheels, I like the color, I like all the logos, the Mercedes logo on the back, on the front as well. See, the windows are so different than the others. It's a nice car to have. The car always look great, but here's the cab. Not all cabs are this cool, or I should say Mercedes cool. Isn't this crazy car? Look at the base. This is very heavy actually. It's metal. This is all metal, guys. This is all metal. So I have to pull the frame a little bit, zoom out, so that we can focus on this truck. This is a very different kind of cab. I never see something like this. I've seen this in the showcase somewhere in Formula 1, Abu Dhabi, I think. And at that moment I realized I will buy this team transport, definitely. And now I have it. I'm lucky, I'm happy. The stances of this is so low, look at that. And how the body is created, the back or in the front, looks dope. And now let's open this second team transport. I don't have many cars when it comes to the Gulf livery. I have some Hotwheels basic cars. I have one premium, I guess, and it will, I don't remember which one it is. It was a Plymouth, I think 65 Plymouth. And now I'm going to have two more to add in my collection. This truck and this amazing Tomaso Pantera Gruppo 4. And it's a second story lorry. I think I'm gonna need more space, my friend, because there are so many cars I haven't displayed yet. See, intact shoulder always works. And here's your team trouser. Oh, so we have this piece here. Okay, so this opens from here and it goes like this. Well, and the car comes out. I don't know how. Why they made it so tough? Yeah, this is out, and this is the plastic piece. Let's put this on the side. Let's have a look on the car first. So this is your base, orange base, just like the Gulf livery. And this is a very cool car. I'm totally digging this up. Well, in Gulf, every car looked good. I don't know why, I just love these liveries. Either it's Gulf, Hadwan, HKS, and this classic car with this classic livery looks so good. Even though it gives me Countach vibes, Lamborghini Countach, yet this is awesome. It's a wide car with a great instance on it, and look at the aerodynamic detail. The 69 on the side, the Gulf logo, orange bottom, everything is perfect. Now let's have a look on this cool truck, Gulf truck. The base is metal. We have extra tire here. It's a metal tire, of course. You can't use it. And this opens like this. Let me put it here like this, and the car goes zoom, and it enters. Yeah. And it closes here. I don't know how the car will go on the top, but this will look cool on it. Any car will look cool on this. So there is a space of at least two cars here. And let's have a closer look on this cab. Let's put this on the turntable and see. Another wide angle because it's a big truck. This is very simple, just blue color with the orange rims on the tires and the Gulf livery. Simple yet amazing. I like this custom. Like the headlights, the front details of the radiator, the Gulf livery on the side and on the back, with the tail lights on it. The best part is that it opens from the back so that you can put the car on. But I don't know how the car is going to be on the top. Still a mystery, yet an amazing casting added to the collection, thanks to the Hotwheels. So that was your unboxing for today for Team Transport mix. These two different Team Transports from two different mix. Do let me know, guys, which one do you have and which one is your favorite. Mine is definitely going to be this, because I love Gulf. Even though I don't have many Gulf livery cars in my collection, I still love Gulf liveries. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.